Zoran Mamdani proves that small movement can shake the big system. Yes, I'm talking about NYC mayor election. In NYC mayor election, Zoran Mamdani got 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh votes. Is the history in NYC for mayor election. Previously, there is a Christian mayor who is from the Christian community, and he did not win by this much of vote. But it's the very first time in New York who created the history to won by the more than 1 lakh votes in NYC. And what the Donald Trump said before the election that Zoran Mamdani cannot win the election, mayor election in NYC. He cannot. Though people are also don't know about Zoran Mamdani. He's only 1% or 2% people know Zoran Mamdani in New York City. Zoran Mamdani ran the campaign in social media. He connected with the Gen Z people through he ran the campaign in social media through Instagram. He connected with the Gen Z girls and boys and bring the community, and he go door to door.
For last year, there were very few who were looking to have that conversation. You got my vote. Yes,
and people like his action, like he connected with the Gen Z people in his Instagram, through Facebook, through Twitter, and people like his campaign, and people support him very well. Though only 9 to 11% Muslim people in NYC, the population of the Muslim people is 9 to 11% only in New York City. The more percentage of the 50 to more than percentage of the Christian people are there in NYC. But Zoran Mamdani proves that the action he have taken, the campaign he have run in a social media, he bring the big change and also bring the revolution in a political field that people can win the election in a very small span time. In a very small time, he connects with the people, he brings the Gen Z people in a social media, and he run the campaign, and he told that if you make me win, I will make the affordable bus service, affordable groceries, and all the basic necessity I will be in a great affordability, so people did not think twice or thrice before buy. Okay, before election, the Donald Trump tweet very negative things for the Zoran Mamdani, but Zoran Mamdani worked from very basic level, from grass to the sky level. He worked very hard. He voluntarily visit door to door with the people and connect with the people and teach to the people about the election, to whom you have to vote, to whom you have to choose to become a mayor of NYC. And people like his campaign, people like the Zoran Mamdani. He's a young 34 year boy who won the mayor election in New York City. It's the first time and it's a history. So, and Zoran Mamdani after win, he showed to the Donald Trump that, and he said that I know that you are watching me, and he said that please raise your voice up. Donald Trump, please raise your voice up where you are. Donald Trump said that if Zoran Mamdani will win, I will not going to give the funding in New York. Why you are not giving the funding? Why? So America think thrice or twice that Zoran Mamdani is going to be a second, is going to be the next president for America. And also put in a comment that Zoran Mamdani imagination and his step through how to run the campaign for a political parties and how to win the election. His action you like or not. Please drop me on a comment and put me your suggestion also. Thank you so much for watching this video.